In today's video, I'm talking about the top 5 skills that you need to become a successful freelance filmmaker. So let's get into it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm talking all about the top 5 skills that you need to become a successful freelance filmmaker. So let's jump in with tip number 1, and tip number 1, quite simply, is to just be a good person. If you're a nightmare to work with, if you cause trouble, if you're a drama queen, nobody will want to work with you, and you'll find that your time in the industry will be very short-lived. So tip number 1 is to be a nice, kind, and genuine person that people would love to hang out with. Okay, so tip number 2 is don't be late. If you're supposed to be there for 10 o'clock, then make sure you get there for 9:30. If you're always turning up late, then nobody is going to be able to rely on you, and that means nobody is going to rebook you for the next job because you're unreliable. So tip number 2 is don't be late. Always be early, always be punctual. Now, unfortunately, there is no such thing as a perfect video shoot. It doesn't matter how much you plan, it doesn't matter how thorough your call sheet is or how detailed your storyboard is, something will go wrong. Whether that's an actor not turning up or your video equipment not working, something is going to go wrong, and it's up to you as a creator to push through those hurdles, use your initiative, think on your toes, and recover the shoot to the best of your ability. So the third skill that you need to be a freelance filmmaker is the ability to think on your toes and use your initiative. Now, filmmaking is a very creative and collaborative space, and there are many people involved when it comes to making a video. You have directors, cameramen, actors, makeup artists, stylists, and it's up to you as a creator to listen to the opinions of the other creators around you. If you don't set your ego aside and you refuse to listen to the opinions of the other creators around you, then your time in the industry will unfortunately be very short-lived. So the fourth skill that you need to be a successful freelance filmmaker is the ability to collaborate effectively with everyone around you. And the last skill that you need to be a successful freelance filmmaker is the ability to be the best at what you do. That means if you're a cameraman, you want to spend all of your time researching and learning and understanding your camera, knowing how to get the best results out of this and being the best possible cameraman that you can be. There is absolutely no way you will succeed in the industry if you put in 50% effort. You have to put in 100% and be the best at what you do, and that is the only way that you're going to be able to make it in this industry. And that's it. Those are the top 5 skills that you need in order to become a successful freelance filmmaker. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.